Hi! Welcome to the second Japan vlog. We are still in Tokyo, and here you can see me strolling through a random grocery store. I wanted to explore beyond 7-Eleven and see what their typical supermarket products were. That was fun. While we're having a bus ride, let me tell you what we plan to do on our third day in Tokyo. Today, we decided to take a route recommended by the Lonely Planet in their Tokyo Pocket Guide. We will follow their walking tour around the Yanaka neighborhood with 2 extra stops. Our walk will begin at the Nezu Shrine, which is also the first detour. And we're passing through our first torii gate in Japan. We were lucky to catch a brief glimpse of a wedding photoshoot as well. While making our way to Kototoi-dori Avenue, we are stumbling upon this small hidden temple. It is hard to believe that Tokyo has a place that is possible to explore with no one around. It doesn't take us long to discover that Yanaka is full of these hidden gems. Lonely Planet Guide says there are over 100 of temples and shrines in this area. We are reaching this avenue lined with a blend of old and new buildings, alongside many temples with their beautiful gardens. Their ability to bring nature to even the smallest urban spaces is impressive. A second detour from the Yanaka walk is this temple we didn't manage to see the previous day. After 2.5 hours of walking, it was time for a coffee break. In the neighborhood, we discovered a café that had a traditional Japanese feel to it, so we decided to see what it was like. Dan purchased coffee, while I decided on matcha tea. We both chose pastries to accompany our beverage, and I decided to take 2, which was a big surprise for the lady who was taking our orders. So I guess 1 should be the maximum. It was a small but cozy cafe. We stayed there for an hour and then we continued our walk. The guide suggested walking through the Yanaka Cemetery. In the book, it is described as one of Tokyo's most atmospheric and prestigious cemeteries. It was quiet and pleasant walk, with a few temples along the way as well. We are heading to our last destination for today, the classic mid-20th century shopping street where the tour ends. This rainy Monday, we are taking you on a shopping tour. While we don't typically do shopping tours, it's nice to pick up a few items to remember the trip by. These underground malls are huge, but I still managed to find Traveler's Factory, and I treated myself to something nice. Eventually, we wanted to leave this labyrinth, so we went up to the street and took a stroll around the Ginza district. I read somewhere that the Yachiku Mall should not be missed, so we are going underground again. After more than an hour of losing ourselves in yet another maze, we decided we're definitely not the shopping mall people. We are visiting the Tokyo station to get our JR pass that we purchased in advance from Norway. Here are more gorgeous sweets we found at the station. Our last stop for today is the Akihabara district. Akihabara is heaven for anime and game lovers. We visited Yellow Submarine because we're board game lovers after all. This was a fun experience, but it's not my cup of tea, to be honest. And now it's time to rest because the era of the jet lag is finally over. Nighty night!